Now, if my calculations are correct, Marty, when this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
Well, I just filmed a freight just now, long intermodal, and I guess that's a Via. It's a Via. Creeping pretty slowly there. Windy here. I'm not complaining though with the bloody heat we've got today. Oh, he's going real slow. Does he even have it clear? I think there's a freight coming. I kind of don't feel like going up close to that fence. I usually do because then I have to put the camera over the fence. Oh, fuck it. Yeah, it's a freight. Great timing. I just got here. I love the great timing. It's all about great timing. All about great timing. No, it's a Via. Son of a bitch. It's going fast too for a crossing here in a curve. And look, there's my long shadow. Yay! It's a Via, I can already tell by the sound of the engine. And it's too hot to be in the sun today, holy cow. Let me tell you. Which way is it coming from now? Beautiful sun is setting here in Montreal Thursday evening. Right here in Point St. Charles. Via coming in here. Oh, lots of butt cars. I like that. If I'm lucky, I'm going to take Via next week maybe. Go up north. Ride the butt cars. Yeah, head to Shawinigan. We'll spend some time with my family at the cottage. Actually, that it is the Centaur train. Holy shit, there it is. I know that because of the engine in the middle. They make up two trains and all that. Look at that, all Hep 1 cars. Wow. I had to get a shot of that. I get to get a shot of those Bud cars next to the Jeeps. You know what I'm saying? Heading to Central Station. So does anybody know when Via is supposed to get some new equipment or what? I mean cars, train cars. Oh, they found me. Oh. Yeah. Here come the Via. With 2 engines. Moving at a damn good pace too.
Oh, he rang the bell. There you go.
So it looks like Via figured out a way to save money by running 2 engines on both ends of a train. Especially since this one looks like it's going to Toronto. Looks like it had 6 cars there.
So is it going to be a Via?
It's another Via. With a lot of beautiful Bud cars. Once again, 2 engines for power. Interesting. A baggage car. Yeah, Via.